What's up, guys? Pick apart. Marcus is ahead of me because he doesn't know how to slow down. Got to get a gas tank for the Nissan because we put a ratchet strap through it, if any of you saw short.
Ain't got no gas in it.
Alright, so we have made it in the pick apart. And it is cold. It's what temperature is it out right now?
It's like 33.
33 degrees.
And of course I did the right thing. Ice drink.
If you like coffee, leave a thumbs up. Or let me know in the comments. Maybe I'll leave a poll on this video.
Matcha or coffee?
Matcha or coffee.
Matcha.
Hopefully coffee gang. There better be more people in my comments drinking coffee than fucking matcha, I swear to God. Yo, YouTube. Literally just found a pair of gloves. Bless. Did not find the fuel tank. Well, we found one truck.
But it had rotten fuel.
Yeah.
So it was
Rotten fuel.
probably going to be rusted out. It's the same story as our truck. So our truck has a ratchet strap in it now.
Yeah. I mean, ours was sitting for a long time and we've just been running the shit fuel that's in it, constantly putting in like higher octane. So it's like kind of cleaning it out. But now that there's a hole in the tank, new tank is needed and this place doesn't have it.
So we're going to go about 30 minutes up the road and get it.
Yeah. Quick pit stop at Walmart.
Okay. And the name's Science.
Basically, can't find a fuel tank. Don't want to spend $400 for a fuel tank.
Right now.
And it is only a little hole. Like, we're talking like that big. So, like,
Science.
Water weld? Anyone know about this?
We're going to find out.
It says it's good on fuel tanks and boats, so it must hold.
We're going to find out.
Yeah, we're going to find out. Or something. A little bit of exercise never hurt nobody though. Bah.
You guys ever had a ratchet strap in your fuel tank? Well, we have, so I guess now we need to remedy this issue. We're gonna pull it out of the tank. We just gotta pull it out. Wear protection, people.
So the stuff they were going to be using is JB Weld Water Weld. JB Weld Water Weld says that it works on fuel tanks. Will it work on a hole this size? Let's find out.
The way we give it the best chance it'll of actually sealing.
Dirty surface is a non-sticky surface.
Let's go ahead and spray it down. Watch yourself. Okay, I'm gonna let it dry.
And if you're doing this at home, don't worry about the brake clean getting inside the fuel tank. It will act as gas.
Oh, we'll just use all of it. Okay, now this is nice, like grayish, all mixed together.
Just gonna smash it in the hole. Like I told Marcus earlier, he probably wouldn't need the whole thing, but he's gonna use it anyways. Because this is us experimenting.
Oh, we needed the whole thing. There we go.
Alright.
We let that dry.
Let it cure for just about an hour, and we'll be back to throw fuel in her and see what she does. Alright, so while we wait, we do got a couple of things that we gotta do. We gotta tidy up this garage. And by a couple of things, I mean, that is the only thing, is tidying up this garage. We're gonna wait an hour, go back down, see what she does with the JB Weld on that Nissan tank, and hopefully that's, you know, good. So got done cleaning up the garage for the most part, and now we're headed back down to the Nissan. Gonna figure out if it hardened, and if it did harden, then we'll put fuel in it and probably go for a little test drive. All right, back at the truck.
My tractor gloves.
Back at the truck. Let's find out if it's hard. Mike, tap it again. You tell me. Does it feel tacky?
It's mostly hard.
Mostly hard. All right, let's put some fuel in her. All right, startup of the JB welded fuel tank. Have about maybe just under a gallon of fuel in there. We didn't put a whole lot. Starts right up. See if she's got any leaks. Nope, doesn't look leaking. Oh shit. Ugh.
Mustang sounds good.
No, it sounds like shit.
It sounds like shit?
Sounds like shit.
It's Coyote. What do you expect?
There's F-150s faster than that car.
Yeah, well, still, I like the way it sounds.
This truck is faster than that car. Yeah, it is. Lost over $40 worth of fuel due to a fucking ratchet strap. And this guy... Hey, so moral of the story, guys. You can use JB Weld. You can use JB Weld to fix a fuel tank leak.
We'll give you like an update in like a month or two.
Yeah, we'll definitely do an update video, but the one thing that I would say is that if your hole is large, like, I don't know what, probably bigger than a dime in diameter, I don't know if it would work.
Like, width-wise?
Yeah.
I mean, this one was like the size of a ratchet strap, like just the hook part.
Yeah, like we're talking about like a 1/4 of an inch in diameter.
No, it was like 1/2 inch or 3/8 of an inch.
Yeah, I mean...
By like an inch.
But like, I think if you're going anything farther than that, like if you're going like half inch, maybe even more, you're probably going to be stressing it. Like, I don't know. I'm sure there's a limit to its abilities, but also a lot of it depends on the prep work. If you're not doing prep work, you're not cleaning it, I definitely feel like it would not do it. Anyway, so stay tuned for the update video on that. I don't know when we'll plan on doing that. We'll probably do a 1 week and then probably a 1 month. And then if anything happens, then we'll film it. But we should also be getting a fuel tank for this truck. Fuel tank for the truck.
Yeah, we'll probably get it like January or February. It's right now December, so.
Yeah. Anything else to add?
No.
No? Yep. I'm going to go edit this video and, yeah, eat some food. Enjoy my weekend. Peace, everybody.